Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode of Igbo learning, we'll be learning 70 Igbo words for beginners. Like I said, we'll be learning 70 Igbo words for beginners today. Anyị ga-amụ okwu Igbo iri asaa, otu esi ekwu okwu Igbo iri asaa pụtara 70. So we'll learn 70 Igbo words for beginners. The first one is up, elu, up, elu, down, ala, maọbụ ana, side, akụkụ, maọbụ n'akụkụ, by the sides, n'akụkụ, middle, etiti, in the middle, n'etiti. Can you see the difference? Middle, etiti, in the middle, n'etiti. Back, azụ, Remember when we are doing parts of the body that your back is azụ. So anything behind you is azụ. Back, azụ, n'azụ is back. Front, ihu, still refer back to the parts of the body. Face, ihu. So your front is ihu. Husband, di. Wife, nwunye. Your wife is nwunyem. So wife, nwunye. Children, ụmụaka. Ụmụaka. Baby, nwa. Nwa. Newborn baby, nwa ọfụ. Something that is new, ọfụ. Newborn baby, nwa amụ ọfụ. Male, nwoke. Female, nwanyị. Boy, nwoke. Girl, nwanyị. They are the same thing. It can be used interchangeably in Igbo. Male, nwoke. Female, nwanyị. Boy, nwoke. Girl, nwanyị. Siblings, ụmụnne. We know what siblings mean. Those that are bonded with the same father and mother. So the nne there is mother. Ụmụnne, siblings. Ụmụnne. Wait, cheru. Maọbụ chere. Wait, cheru, maọbụ chere. Go, gaba. Come, bịa. Stand, kwụrụ. Stand up, kwụrụ ọtọ. Stand up, kwụrụ ọtọ. Sit, nọdụ. Sit down, nọdụ ala. Small, obele. Obere, maọbụ obere. Obele, maọbụ obere. You know, in Anambra State, we used to have all this L and R issue. It's our mother tongue. So, whichever one it can go. Either you say obere, mobu, obele. They are the same thing. So, small, obere. Skinny, giri giri, mobu, gili gili. Fat, Ibu. Fat, she is fat. Obu Ibu. Fat, Ibu. Skinny, giri giri. Anger, iwe. Anger, iwe. Angry, iwe. She's angry. Ọ na-ewe iwe. Anger, iwe. Angry, iwe. Yes, no, mba, maọbụ mba, maọbụ mba. Sleep, ụra. Sleep, ụra. To slap, that is slap. Ụra. Slap, ụra. Sleep, ụra. Can you see the difference? We'll still come to those words that have the same spelling, different sound, and different meaning. We'll still come to it. That will be in another class. But for this time around, I'm trying to teach you the 70 words in Igbo. So, sleep, ụra. Slap, ụra. Slap, ụra. Sleep, ụra. Thank you, daalụ. Thank you, daalụ. Well done, imeela. Thank you, daalụ. Well done, imeela. Jisike, well done, imeela. Maọbụ jisike, well done, jisike. Thank you, daalụ. Later, ka emesịa. Some, ụfọdụ. Some, ụfọdụ. Some, ụfọdụ. Many, ọtụtụ. Many, ọtụtụ. Many, ọtụtụ. Most, imirikiti. Most, imirikiti. Most of them. Imirikiti n'ime ha. Imirikiti n'ime ha. Most of them. Imirikiti. Imirikiti ka akpọrọ. Mole mole ka aghọtara. Most, many, you can use ọtụtụ, imirikiti. They are the same thing. It can be used interchangeably in Igbo. When I was going for catechism during my catechism class, our seminarian will always put fear in us whenever he wants to tell us that many of us will come for the catechism class, but few will receive the first Holy Communion due to the exams. So he will be like, imirikiti ka akpọrọ, mole mole ka ahotara. Many were called, but few were chosen. Many were called, but few were chosen. Ole mole ka ahotara. Ole mole, few. Like few in Igbo means ole mole, few. There is a difference between few and some. Some, ụfọdụ. Few, ole mole. School, ụlọ akwụkwọ. Book, akwụkwọ. Book, akwụkwọ. Church, ụlọ ụka. Church, ụlọ ụka. House, ụlọ. Can you now see where we pick school and church? Ụlọ is a house. a house is called ụlọ. Bag, akpa. Bag, akpa. Animals, anụmanụ. Anụmanụ. I know in this particular word, some of us will be like, why Igbonizing? Yes, some of our Igbos are being Igbonized. They don't really have direct name in Igbo. So I think it's the same thing in most languages. There are things that are called okumbite in Igbo. Okumbite. That is some words that are gotten from a different language. They will now Igbonize it, such as suya, agidi, etc. We will come to that one in our next class. So for today, we are talking about animals. So animals in Igbo is called anụmanụ. It is being Igbonized. Like I said, it's being Igbonized. Anụmanụ. Drink, ṅụọ. To drink, ịṅụ. Drink, ṅụọ. Drink up, ṅụọ. Drink, ṅụọ. To drink, ịṅụ. To drink, ịṅụ. Strong, ike. Strong, ike. He is strong. O siri ike. He is strong. O siri ike. He is very strong. O siri ezigbote ike. O siri ezigbote ike. Dance, egwu. Dance, egwu. Dance, egwu. Please, biko. Please, biko. Life, ndụ. Life, ndụ. Life, ndụ. Kneel, kneel, sekpuru. Kneel down, sekpuru. You know, knee is ikpere, but kneel, sekpuru, like kneel down, sekpuru ala. Throw, tụọ. Throw, tụọ. Clap, ịkụ aka. Clap, ịkụ aka. Clap for her. Kụọrọ ya aka. So clap, kụọ aka. Clap, kụọ aka. Victory, mmeri. Victory, mmeri. Replacement, nnọchi. Replacement, nnọchi. To replace. Replace, nọchie. Replace, nọchie. Replacement, nnọchi. Put, tinye. Put, tinye. Remove, wepụ. Remove, wepụ. Sorry, ndo. Sorry, ndo. Enemy, onye iro. Enemy, onye iro. Friend, enyi. Friend, enyi. Love, ịfụnanya. Love, ịfụnanya. Ma ọ bụkwa ịtụnanya. Ịfụnanya ma ọ bụ ịtụnanya. Bird, nnụnụ. Bird, nnụnụ. truth, eziokwu. Truth, eziokwu. False, asị. False, asị. Lie, asị. False, lie is asị in Igbo. They mean the same thing in Igbo. Whether you say false or lie, is asị. Shift, umie. Shift, umie. Shift for me, umie room. So shift is umie, as in shift for me. Shift for me, shift, umie. Fast, osiso. Fast, to be very fast. Osiso, fast, fast. Osiso. Slow, nwayọọ. Slow, nwayọọ. Slow, nwayọọ. Envy, anyaụfụ. Greedy, anyaukwu. Greedy, anya ukwu. Envy, anyaụfụ. Envy, anyaụfụ. It will be up to 60 something, 70 now. So we'll call it a day here. Please don't forget to hit the notification button, like, subscribe, and share. Echefukwana ka ibinye aka n'akara ịhụnanya, gbasaa ozi a, kwụnyere anyị oge niile. Ka emesịa.